Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another edition of Fun with Quotients. That's right, today we're going to be talking about 3 different ways to represent a quotient. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, how many times will 2 go into 3? Well, we know 2 will go into 3 one time. 1 times 2 is 2. And then, of course, 2 subtracted from 3 is 1. We have a number to the right. We can go ahead and pull that down. And we have 17. How many times will 2 go into 17? 4 times. 4 times 2 is 16. And 16 from 17 is 1. We have another number to the right we can bring down. And we have ourselves a 14. How many times will 2 go into 14? Well, it will go 7 times. Exactly 7 times. Because 7 times 2 is 14, and 14 decreased by itself is 0. But looky here, we have another number to bring down. We have this 9. How many times will 2 go into 9? That's right, it'll go exactly 4 times. Well, approximately 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 from 9 is 1, giving us 1,474 remainder 1. Now, that's one way to write that, so let's write that over here. 1,474 remainder 1. However, there's another way that you can write this. Did you know that you can simply place that 1 over the 2 and come up with a fraction? I'll show you what I mean. It would be 1,474, and the leftover goes in the numerator, and the denominator is simply the divisor. So it would be 1,474 and 1/2. But what if I wanted to keep going? Well, let's go ahead and do that just for kicks and giggles. Let's keep on going and see what happens. I had the remainder 1 over here, but did you know I can actually put a decimal up there? And when I do place that decimal, I bring down a 0. And I ask myself, how many times will 2 go into 10? Well, I know that 2 will go into 10 5 times, and 5 times 2 is 10, and then 10 decreased by itself is 0. So, in fact, you could also write this as a decimal of 1,474 and 5/10. And that's right, folks. That's 3 different ways to represent a quotient when there's a remainder involved. I do hope you enjoyed that. Ta-ta for now.